What's going on, guys? Rob from ClicksGeek. Today's video I want to walk you through quickly, just very briefly, our landing page builder that we use, and that's Instapage.com. In my opinion, we've been using this for years now for all of our clients and all of our personal projects. It is the most user-friendly landing page software that I've experienced. So I just wanted to run through it real quick. So you can come in here. This is what you're going to see is your dashboard here. You can do your A/B experiments. You can set up all of your analytics accounts. There's a lot of different things you can do in here. Create a folder and then create your page. So here's all pages inside our example folder. You can set up who gets the leads, what email address leads get sent to. You can set up your analytics here. There's a lot of different things. You can duplicate pages, download them, move them to different groups, edit the URLs. So you can put them on WordPress domains and stuff like that. So to put an Instapage landing page like you're looking at here, you can see these are all on demo domains. This is Instapage's like demo domain, just so you have it live on something. To put them on an actual domain is really simple. If you have WordPress, it's just a plugin you download and then you log in through your WordPress into Instapage, and you can just put the pages on whatever domains you want. So it's really simple. To create pages is even easier. You come up here, you have three options: standard landing page, that's all the capabilities that you need. AMP landing page has its limited features, but it's just a quick page that gets thrown up. Or you can upload an Instapage file if you have one for a landing page, and can bring that into Instapage easily. So if we're going to create a standard landing page, you can start with a blank page, or Instapage gives you dozens of templates of pages for all different things. And they have categories over here too that you can choose to look at designs for pages in. Lots of cool stuff. So just for the sake of this video, we'll do schedule an appointment because I like this page. And you can preview it, or you can just start editing it. So let's just start editing it. We'll call it test, create. Let's view the page. And here's where you're going to add all of your social stuff if you want. You can do a little favicon, keywords, page title, URL, meta. You can do an image, whatever. Doesn't really, and to hide it from search engines, that's important. Here you can add tracking scripts and be in GDPR compliance. That's also extremely important, especially if you're not in America. And then there's integrations. I'm not going to get into that right now, but this Instapage integrates with pretty much any software you can think of. All right, so that's isn't publish it is how you do that down here. Is you can just put on a custom domain, WordPress, Drupal, or the demo URL. We're not going to do that for now, though. We'll go into edit page, and I'll kind of just briefly run you through how the editing features work. And as you can see here, this is just everything is drag and drop. Really simple stuff. You can create buttons that go to another landing page or on link. So on the page, you can have a button take you to a section. You could do an outside URL. You can do a file download. You can do a pop-up, which is great for forms. If you wanted to do a pop-up form, add that. Do a headline here. Center everything. See how quick that is? So now you have a pop-up button. This button, you can do another button here. Or what I like to do for the second button, I do a click to call type thing, because most of the traffic I'm driving to my pages is mobile, and I want people to just be able to click a button and call. And you can adjust the sizes. You can, I mean, guys, this is so awesome. It's so easy. You can upload your logo. Over here, you have some options. You can add more blocks, like these big blocks, headers, sections, stuff like that, headlines, paragraph, forums, buttons. You can drop images in here. You can drop videos. So you can do shapes, lines, timers, custom HTML. Over here, you can do JavaScript, CSS, HTML. You can set conversion goals. You can change the font. You can change the backgrounds. You can start your integrations with your analytics and all the other stuff. Really, really simple stuff. And then when you're done, all you would do is hit update. So first we would save it. And we have to go over up here. You can check your mobile version and edit your page to be suited for what you need for mobile. And this is probably the most important feature in Instapage, in my opinion, is designing your mobile pages to churn phone calls. That's it. Save, exit back out. And then you would just hit publish experience and do whatever you want to do there. That's pretty much it. Really simple stuff. If you guys have any questions about Instapage or any of the features or how it works, drop them below this video. I'd love to answer them. I love this software, so I'll drop a link to a 14-day free trial also in the description. So don't forget to subscribe to our channel. There's a little red button on the bottom right of your screen. Make sure you subscribe. And if you're interested in learning more about how we create our high converting landing pages, some of our pages convert over 45%, so they're definitely up there. We know what we're doing. If you'd like to learn from us on how to create those types of pages, I'll put a link also in the description for our course, Landing Page Academy. Make sure you check that out. And besides that, I'll see you guys in the next video.